Alright, Math Marines, let me go get our homework for tonight. I know, it's Friday, and we got homework. Well, let's take a look as I'm walking over here. Looks like we're going to have 5 problems that we need to solve that are going to require us to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. Get a nice piece of paper out here. Put that down. I'll go ahead and I'll do one for you. And I'm even going to sit down right here. We'll take a look. Remember, I'm not going to do mine anymore, but you got to put your name. That looks like MAME. The date. The mod. The objective. And a nice line that goes all the way across. So for number 1, looks like it wants us to convert 22 over 7 into an improper fraction. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some long division. I'm going to divide this guy all the way out. 7 doesn't go into 2, but 7 does go into 22. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. 7 times 3 would give me 21. So I get real close, but I don't go over. I'm also going to take it one step further and just solve it right away. I know if I take 21 from 22, it gives me 1 left. So look what I have. I know my denominator is going to be 7. I know my whole number is 3. That means that 1 has to be my new numerator. So right over here I can say this all equals 3 whole. That's my whole number. And 1 part out of 7. 3 and 1/7. Very important. Put your little box right here. 3, 1/7. Just like that. You can do that for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we have a mathematic problem. 51 over 3 is equal to, and they go 3 into 51. 3 goes into 5 once. Take away 3, 2, bring down the 1. So your whole number should be something, but look what they got. They got 3 and 21/3. I'll give you a little hint. This is still an improper fraction, and that should be your denominator, not your whole number. So go back and try this problem again, and then tell me what this person went wrong. There's a lot of things that they did wrong here. So that's right down here. You put your little mathematic. I'm just drawing on this really big and fast so we can get out of here. You're going to do your mathematic problem right here. Then underneath that, it says define repeating decimal and terminating decimal. You might want to find that in the book. Tell you what, if you go to the back of the book in the glossary, it will have terminating decimal. Whoop, let's point to the right one. It'll have terminating decimal, and it will have the definition for repeating decimal. So look for those in the glossary and then define them right here. You would do something like repeating decimal. A little colon there, let me know that you're going to do something right. And then whatever the book says the definition is. Terminating decimal. And whatever the book says the definition is. That's really all you got to do. And if you are pretty smart, which I know you are, you're probably going to figure out that when we come back to school, we're going to be working with these 2 things. Have a great weekend. It's a long one. Don't forget that homework. Have a good one.